Okay, so I wanted to go through the steps real quick to find and download the AutoCAD software for students. Um, I'm in a browser, I'm in Google Chrome, but you can be in anything, Firefox, Internet Explorer, anything like that. And I'm just going to search for AutoCAD Student Download. And it's going to take us here. Now, one of the things that some people can make mistakes initially on is if they don't include the student part. You need to include the student because there's other versions of AutoCAD that you can download that do not have an unlimited license. The student version has an unlimited license provided that you're using it for educational purposes. So we want to make sure you do the AutoCAD student download. And then we click here. And here we go. Now, in order to download it, you're going to need to make an account. Okay, if you don't already have an Autodesk account, the account is free, and there's actually some good things associated with having it. So I'll start that. I already have an account, but we'll go ahead and pretend like I don't. So I'm going to choose my country, United States. Where is it? Right there. Educational role. I'm going to, pretend that I'm a student. Educational type, university, post-secondary, date of birth, June 18. Yes, it's coming up soon. And we'll go next. And here's where you fill in your account details. For your email, you can use any email that you have. If you have a Gmail account, a Yahoo account, you can use your Moraine Valley email. The issue with your email is you want to make sure that the notification that you get from Autodesk when you download and are ready to install the software, you want to make sure that the email that Autodesk sends you does not go into spam. So for that reason why sometimes it's better to use a Gmail account or something like that. You do not have to use an email with a .edu extension. It used to be the case, but now it's not that way. So you're going to go ahead and create an account over here, and then you're going to download the software. When you choose the software to download, let me go back to that page. Okay. Once you have an account, you're going to choose your version to download. You want to download actually, let me sign in with my account. All right. You want to choose personal or individual use. Okay. The version you want to use is 2020. That's the version that we're going to be using in class, version 2020. You can see here that you can actually download older or, in fact, the brand new version of AutoCAD. We're going to use 2020 just because I haven't downloaded the 2021 yet, and being that it's brand new, there might be some issues or bugs with it. So we're going to stick with, and some people might have previous versions that they've already downloaded. So we're going to stick with AutoCAD 2020. The operating system, you can see it downloads to Windows 64. If you're using a Mac or trying to use a Mac for this, first of all, I recommend you don't use a Mac for AutoCAD. AutoCAD doesn't quite work as well with a Mac, but there is another download that you can that you have to go to for the AutoCAD for Mac. Okay, and then the language, and then you're going to go to install now. Okay, so that should get you started with finding the software. There'll be links in Canvas for that, and once you download it, you'll get an email with some information in order for you to install it, and then you want to go ahead and install it. It might help when you're installing it to pause your antivirus software. Sometimes that can interfere with things depending on how controlled your antivirus software is. Obviously, as soon as you finish installing it, please restart your antivirus software so you don't have any problems. Okay, all right, thank you. Bye.